This is TNT Barbecue with a Southern explosive taste. Today, guys, what I'm doing for you is salt and garlic and black pepper brisket. So this is gonna be pretty interesting because I'm cooking this on my Pit Boss smoker. It's going on for the long haul. I believe I'm gonna do this Texas style. I'm gonna traditionally season it real heavy with some black pepper and salt and garlic. So I'm gonna bring you in so you can pick out, you can check out what we're laying down. And we're going on pretty heavy. Pat it in. I'm just gonna get all sides of this. I'm gonna go on with the garlic, okay? So, like I said, we'll go on pretty heavy with the garlic. We want this thing to be popping. And this is a 13-pound brisket. Just so you know, this is a 13-pound brisket. And the wood we're using is a pecan, mesquite, and hickory. It's a, to me, it's a beef blend. So it's a pretty strong blend of pellets. So, and beef can take that stronger flavor. And I think that's enough, so I'm gonna go in, and I'm gonna go in pretty heavy with the black pepper. Cause I do want to create a bark. Oh my goodness. So I'm going to go ahead and press this black pepper in to make sure it sticks. Here with the Pit Boss Austin XL, I'm going to place this 14-pound brisket on there, fat side down. And look at that brisket, guys. Look at how it folds like that. That's a good brisket. So, I'm going to go over here. Put it in the middle, shape it up. Make sure I get my bark the way I want it. So that's how we looking like. So, I kind of want to make sure the bark is tagging it up on that brisket. So I'll just pat it in for one last time. 176. So we're gonna go ahead and power through this stall, okay? But I want to make sure I keep that outside moist. Like I said, I want to develop my bark. And what we have in the spritz bottle is vinegar, water, and Worcestershire. Equal parts. Vinegar, water, Worcestershire. So equal parts. So and this kind of takes the sting away from a lot of this pepper. And I like a moist brisket. So you see me, bark is set up. Take pink butcher paper. And this is gonna be a good brisket. I'll tell you what, I can just feel it. So, and I'm just gonna, you can pick up this brisket, the bark on it. So, I like to get one up on there like here, such. Get it real tight. And wrap it. It folds under. And it goes back on the smoker for how many hours I want it. So that's what I'm doing. Look at this amazing bark. So the brisket has rested for about 20 minutes. The bark has sawed up. So I'm gonna bring you in and we're gonna go to trimming this brisket, okay? What I'm gonna do for you is do a fold test and a bend test. So we're gonna go in for slicing this brisket, and it's gonna be a bark and the color on this brisket, guys. So I think I'm gonna start cut right across here. See what we're working with. There goes some steam and there goes moisture. So I'm just gonna take a cut out. So that's the fold test we're looking for right there. That was a hang test. And let's do the pull test, okay? Now that's tender brisket. That is a very tender brisket. A lot of juiciness, good moisture, very pepperish, nice smoke ring. I hope you can pick up that smoke ring, guys. Nice smoke ring. I mean, this is real nice smoke ring. Deep smoke ring, good amazing brisket sandwich. I just hope you can see the juiciness in this brisket. Look how tender that is. And I think I'm gonna give you a taste test. This is amazing, guys. I want to say God bless you, God bless America. This TNT barbecue, smoked brisket.